A very good morning to class 5th. In the previous video, we have studied about exercise 15.1, the chapter 15 pattern. Right? In that exercise 15.1, we studied about the rule of 9. So I hope everyone watched the previous video and it is clear to all. After that, my dear students, today we will do the next and the last exercise of our book. The next and the last exercise of our book is 15.2. In this exercise, we will study about the 4 rules. Right? About the 4 rules. And in this, our topic is products without actual multiplications. How you multiply the two numbers. So, let's see. So, products without actual multiplication. In this, the first rule is how to multiply the digits which are having 5 at the last. Means without multiply, how you will find the product of this. The product of this. So, these rules I have discussed in the previous video also, and today again I am repeating. So what we will do, 5 5s are 25. Now 1. Successor of 1 is 2. 2 multiply 1, 2. Right? Again 5 5s are 25. Successor of 3, 4, means 3 4s are 12. Clear? This is the way to multiply and to find the product of the numbers which having 5 at the last. 2 digit numbers. Right? After this, rule 2. How you will find the product of smaller numbers. Means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 multiply 1. 2 multiply 2. 3 multiply 3. 4 multiply 4. So on and up to 9 multiply 9. So firstly here is 1. So it will come as it is 1. Then 2. It means what we will do, sum of first 2 odd number. See sum of first 2 odd number. 1 plus 3. 3. Sum of first 3 odd number. Right? So that is 1 plus 3 plus 5. Clear? 4. Means 4 odd number. Sum of first 4 odd number. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. After that 9 cross 9. It means sum of first 9 odd number. Why again and again I am repeating this word? Because in this the sum starts from 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right? So this is the rule number 2, to find the product of the smaller number by multiplying, without multiplying. Now the rule number 3. In this rule number 3, we will learn how to find the product of like these numbers. 11 cross 11, 101 cross 101, 1001 cross 1001. Right? So students, 11 cross 11. So what you will do, write 1, successor of 1 is 2, then again 1. Now 101 cross 101. So again the number in between these 0, 0, 1 and successor of 1, 2, then again 0, right, and then 1. Same like this, 1 multiply 1, 1 multiply 1. Now 1001 multiply 1001. See, again between 1, then 0, then again 0 multiply with 0. 1, successor of 1 is 2. 2 multiply 1, 2. And again 2 zeros and 1. Same like this, if we have to 10,001, then it becomes 1 triple 0, 2, again triple 0 and 1. Clear? This is about the rule number 3. Now come to the rule number 4. See, in this there are 0 in between, so that's why before 2 I am writing here zeros. But in the next rule, that is how to find the product of these type of statements, 1 cross 1, 1 multiply with 1, 11 multiply with 11, 111 multiply with 111. So for this, everyone knows 1 multiply with 1, 1. 11 multiply with 11, it comes 1. This successor of 1 is 2. 2 ones are 2 and then 1. Now triple 1 cross triple 1, right? So what it becomes? 1. Then successor of 1, 2. So there are 3 1, 2, 3, then again goes to 1, right? When it comes like 1111, again multiply with 1111, then how you will write? 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Clear? Firstly what you have to write, how many ones are there? Number of 1 you will write here 4, 1 2 3 4, then again goes reverse counting, 4 will become in center, 3 2 1. Clear? These are the 4 rules on the basis of which we will do our exercise 15.2. Now come to this first. These questions are like this. First one, A part, 35 multiply with 35. So 5 5s are 25. Successor of 3, 3 plus 1, 4. And 3 multiply 4 is 12. So what comes here? 1225. B part, 45 multiply 45. Again 5 5s are 25 and successor of 4, 5, 4 5s are 20. So what come here? 2025. Now for C part, 95 multiply 95. Again here come 25 and successor of 9 is 10. So 9 10s are 90. Now come to the D part, that is 105 multiply 105. So what comes here? 25, then 10 and 10. So successor of 10 is 11 and 11 tens are 110. 11 tens are 110. Clear? This is 11,025. Now E part 995 multiply 995. So same बच्चे, here come 25. Now the last, these numbers are 99 left one and 99 plus 1 100. So 100 multiply 99 equals to 9900, right? So it becomes 9,90,025. Clear, students, to all? See, same pattern we will follow in every number. See, it is F part 1005 multiply with 1005. So firstly come 25. Now 100 and successor of 100 is 101. So 101 multiply with 100, it becomes 10,100, right? So your answer is this. Clear to all how to do this? Now the second part. Find the following products. So 4 multiply 4. Here we have done with the rule number 2. 7 multiply 5. The sum of first 5 odd numbers. 6 cross 6. Sum of first 6 odd numbers. 7 cross 7. The sum of first 7 odd numbers. So this second question you will do yourself. Now come to the third one. Question number 3. That is finding the products. A part is 10,001 multiply with 10,001. So 1. How many zeros? 3. Write 3 zeros. Then 2. Again write 3 zeros and 1. Right? See, this I told you here also. The same answer come. Now for the next also, number of zeros are increasing, that you will increase and write. Clear all? See this one, 1 2 3 4 zeros. So the answer of this will be 1 1 2 3 4 zeros 2. Again 4 zeros and 1. Clear? Same you will follow pattern in the C part. Now come to the fourth one. A part 1111 multiply with 1111. So number of 1, how many are there? 4. So your answer will be 1 2 3 4 and 3 2 1. For the B part 11,111 multiply with 11,111. How many ones are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Clear? Same in the C part you will do yourself. After this, the fifth one is find the product of the pattern. So look students, there are like this 1 cross 30, 0.1 cross 30, C1 0.01 cross 30 and D part 0.001 cross 30. So how we will multiply? It comes 30, then remove the point, come 10, 0, 3. Remove the point 100, 0 cut, 0.3, then 0.03. Right? Like this. So it is clear how it comes. After this, the sixth and the last question. Find the addition of the pattern. This is 0.1, 0.001, 0.001, 0.0001, and the last one is 0 decimal 0 0 0 0 and 1. What we have to do? We have to add. So see, 1 1 1 1 and 1 decimal 0. Clear, students? This is the last question of your exercise 15.2 and the last question of the work. Clear? After this, see, this is given that find the two HOTS questions are there, means high order thinking questions are there. So in this, first question is find the missing number. So see, we will observe the pattern first. 1 1 between 11, 2 7 between 27. Now 3 last number is missing and at last in between 35. So it means what come here? 5. Because 3 and 5 make 35, that is in between. Clear? After this, the second question is find the pair of a number and a letter which replaces the question mark in the grid. So students, see, 1 8 8. The numbers letters are X, Y, Z. Right? After this, Y come up, X come here. It means what come here? Z. Now, letter are fixed and here it goes this. See, यहाँ पे यहाँ और यहाँ से यहाँ. Y here, Y, X, Z and then Z, Y, X. Clear my point? Letter come. Now, pair of a number. So see, the value of Z is the division by, or you can say the multiplication of Y and Z is. So in this, see, 8 multiply 8 ones are 8, 3 twos are 6. So 27, 2 twos are 27 to, 27 twos are, what comes here? 54. Right? Clear to all? The question number 2. After this, there is the one worksheet. In this worksheet, there is no question which rule we have not discussed, and in this that applied. Right? All the rules that we are discussed, all are applicable. All 4 rules are applicable in this worksheet. So this worksheet you will do yourself. Clear to all? And this is the last chapter of chapter 15, which is about the pattern. So today we have completed our all the chapter, and you can see we have completed our book. Clear, students? If you have any problem regarding any topic and even any chapter, you can comment and you can ask me. Right?